Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2017 CLA 250 4MATIC. This one's white. Underneath it's a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 208 horsepower and 258 pounds of torque. For wheels, we've got 18-inch multi-spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition. Up front, we've got an illuminated star. At night, the LED logo lights up. Black on B-Tex interior. Coming around back, CLA 250 4MATIC badging. Open up the tailgate, we've got a clean set of floor mats, fold down rear seats, blind spot assist, Harman Kardon sound system, memory seats, power windows. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls. Also included is smartphone integration, which is going to give you us Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Paddle shifters for extra performance. A push start ignition. Rear view backup camera. Media display. Hard keys for a media display. Heated seats. Dual climate controls. Cup holders. This CLA has 14,807 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of the CLA 250 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.